This is Bird and Squirrel. This is book number 1, On the Run. Now remember from our last reading that the cat was chasing him, and then he decided, are we going to do the road trip? Or he kept saying road trip, death, road trip, death. So remember, they're going south for the winter. So it says later, an umbrella, a shovel, pots and pans. You're bringing everything but the kitchen sink. A plunger. You can never be too prepared. Gee, I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Where's your spirit of adventure? Just hop on up and don't look back. Wahoo! You're doing it! What did he have to run back and get? Phew! That was close. I almost forgot my toothbrush. Hiss. Ah! Did you by any chance pack breath mints? We're gonna die! Seriously, Cat, you really should do something about your breath. Would you quit antagonizing him? If you'd pedal a little faster, I wouldn't have to antagonize it. I'm pedaling as fast as I can. You might also want to watch where you're going. Uh-oh. This is where you use Icky. What might happen next? Ah! Sploosh. Whoosh. Gasp, gasp. Woohoo! High five! We lost the cat! Are you insane? We almost died. And now we have no supplies. But we get to float down the river on a log that's pretty cool. Just listen to the soothing sounds of running water. Acorns to oaks! Waterfall! Woohoo! Kersploosh! Gasp, gasp, gasp! That was incredible. We should definitely do that again. Did you hit your head on a rock? We have no food and no supplies. We're gonna die. Look on the bright side. We still have your toothbrush. Okay, but just don't blame me when you get cavities. Splat. Uh-oh. What did he eat? And it says crunch, crunch. There's nothing better than a little walk in the woods. Look at the flower. Look at this tree. Look at this rock. Wow. Look at that grizzly bear. What? Ah. Just kidding. Maybe we should find somewhere to wait out that storm. Let me just check. Nope. 0% chance of precipitation. My bird senses are never wrong. Shh. I should have taken the dark clouds into consideration. You know what we need? An umbrella, food, a warm bed, peace and quiet, a theme song. Here's a little song about bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel. Two best friends named Bird and Squirrel. We're not friends. I'm a bird, you're a squirrel. Snap. Bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel, bird and squirrel. Did you hear something? Besides my bird-tastic theme song? Just the cat. Hiya, hairball. Ah! You really should have told us you were coming. I would have worked you into our theme song. Make for that hole. I don't like holes. See ya, hairball. Stoop. Crack. Uh-oh, who got struck by lightning? No, we've been eaten. We're in the belly of the beast. No, we're in a hole. Ah! Do you know what lurks in dark holes? Snakes, spiders, bats, a deadly wasp. Who will paralyze us with a single sting, then lay its eggs on our backs, and its larvae will hatch and feed on our insides while we're all still alive? Hey, look, there's something coming this way. I don't want to be wasp food. Oh, hello there. I heard something. Mole's the name. I'm Bird, and my hysterical friend here is Squirrel. Hi. Pleasure to meet you both. Looks like you've had a rough day. Well, no worries. Follow me. The wife is cooking up some grub for dinner. Oh, no. We don't want to intrude. Nonsense. You can stay the night and I'll take you back up top in the morning. Honey, we've got visitors. Oh, wonderful. The more the merrier. There's plenty of grub for everyone. It really is grub. Be wary, the skybird attacks from above. What's it like up top? Are there monsters? How do you think we ended up down here? How? We were attacked by a giant cat. Whoa! The cat has many lives and hunts night and day. Okay. Have you ever seen a grizzly bear? You betcha. He had ginormous claws and razor-sharp fangs. No way, really? Yep, true story. He tried to eat me. What about you, Mr. Squirrel? One time I saw a nut the size of a small boulder. It took me the whole day to get it up my tree. Here, let me help you with those, Mrs. Mole. And then there was the time I rode a mountain lion. That's quite a family you have there. I couldn't imagine life without them. Do you have a family? Oh, no, definitely not. I'm too busy just trying to survive. You must be lonely. Yeah. Rawr. Sometimes. Ah! I'm gonna eat you. You'll have to catch us first. Gotcha. Danger lies ahead. Huh? A great distance one will fall. Life will end, even as it continues. What do you mean? Are you saying I'm going to die? Now, Grand Mole, you've had a little too much excitement for one day. Okay, we're going to stop there.